Post follow and share for more chemistry lectures.
Welcome. I still remain Dr. John D. Isaac. And last lecture we discussed on types of solution, specifically a standard solution. And the next one we want to discuss now is a molar solution. A molar solution is a little bit more complex than a standard solution. Why? Because before you prepare a molar solution, you require some technicalities in terms of measurement or weighing of the solute in question, and also the amount of the fluid or the solvent that is required of you too. So, when the whole amount of a molecular mass of a substance is dissolved in 1 dm cube of water, which is equivalent to 1000 cm cube of water, then that solution is called a molar solution, a 1 molar solution. Let me take it again. A molar solution, when you dissolve the whole molecular mass of a chemical compound, for example now, disodium tetraoxo 6, disodium tetraoxo 6. If you calculate the molecular mass of the 2 atoms of sodium, calculate the atom of sulfur, then the 4 atoms of oxygen, if you add all the masses of all the atoms here and you dissolve it in 1 liter of water, that gives you 1 molar solution of this substance. So, let me give an example now. Sodium hydroxide weighs 40 grams. Sodium hydroxide is 40 grams. That means sodium is 23 grams per 1 atom. Oxygen is 16. Hydrogen 1. So if you add all together, it's 40 grams. Now, if I dissolve these 40 grams as a whole in 1000 cm cube of water, which is equivalent to 1 dm cube of water, then I've prepared 1 molar solution. Now, why it's a little bit complex than the standard solution is that the type of chemical compound you are dealing with, you must be conversant with the atomic masses of all the atoms that are present in that compound. And not until you are able to calculate the bulk molecular mass of that substance, you cannot have a molar solution. So if you make a mistake in the molecular mass of any of the atoms, it means your solution, which you have prepared, is no more a molar solution. So, therefore, you can define a molar solution as one that contains a molecular mass of that chemical compound in 1 dm cube of water. I take it again. A molar solution can be defined as one that contains a molar mass or a molecular mass of a given chemical compound in 1 dm cube of water. Now, we can also present a chemical equation of a molar solution mathematically. How do I say? "40 grams of sodium hydroxide in 1 dm cube of water is equal to 1 molar solution." You can also convert it this way. 1 molar solution of sodium hydroxide contains 40 grams of the salt, sodium hydroxide. Now this already becomes a mathematical equation. So that with this, you can calculate the number of moles of any given substance in any given amount of solvent. And if you're not able, if you're not conversant with the molecular masses of the chemical compounds, specifically the atoms that are making up that particular compound, if you don't know the molecular mass of them before you calculate them together, it means the molar which you are looking for, you won't be able to get it. And you must also have some mathematical orientation. Now look at it now, you can handle this way. 40 grams of this substance in 1 dm cube is equivalent to 1 molar solution. Or 1 molar solution of hydroxide contains 40 grams of this. So what if it is magnesium chloride? What if it is disodium tetrahydroxide 6? So it depends on the chemical compound in question, because you must calculate the atomic masses of all the atoms in that given chemical compound. Then you sum it all and dissolve it in 1 dm cube of water. Then you have gotten a molar solution. I will break this bit by bit because we're not going to hurry it. So for now, I draw the curtain. So please like it, comment, share this video. Follow me for more chemistry lectures. Goodbye.